The latest details about the iPhone SE 4 tell us that it will be the same as the iPhone 14. Here we are not talking about the features, but we are talking about the design and look. Similar to the iPhone 14 means no home button and no large bezels, but we will see a notch and slimmer bezels. But one thing is in doubt here: what the rear design of the SE 4 will look like. We can see many designs and renders rumoring these days. But why are we so concerned about this? This is because of the beast power of the iPhone SE in a cute look. Most of the people want iPhone in their hands, not just because of the hype of iPhone, but the features it has. The amazing processor, camera, overall performance, and so on. But not all of us can afford a phone. So the simple solution of this is the iPhone SE. It has great power and amazing performance, just like the flagship models, and is budget-friendly. The only thing we can say right now that its design, that of iPhone SE 3, is a bit old-fashioned, similar to that of iPhone 8. And if we see the iPhone lineup, it has got a lot of upgrades in design, making it wonderful. So, for now, besides the features, there is need of a new design for iPhone SE, just like the flagship models. So, in order to match the trends, iPhone SE 4 will have design same as of iPhone 14 or may contain minor differences, but the overall design will be same. In this way, the rear design should also be the same of that. But in my opinion, if Apple exactly copy the design, then what will be the difference between the iPhone SE and flagship iPhones? So there might occur something that will differentiate them even after copying the design. It will be the rear design. Apple may maintain the rear design of SE 4 same of SE 3 or just modify it. In this way, we will see a blend of the latest design with a unique SE look. Let's have a look at the new amazing features we will be getting in the iPhone SE 4. According to reports from MacRumors and Unknowns 21, the SE 4 will have 6.1-inch display. Furthermore, Unknowns 21 claims that the side-mounted mute switch on the iPhone SE 4 will be replaced by the action button. Considering that this particular feature was only available on the iPhone 15 Pro model, it may be hard to imagine it being available on the iPhone SE 4. However, it is plausible. The iPhone SE 4 is also expected to include a USB-C port, which is consistent with the connectivity standard used by flagship devices. Even though there aren't many details about the iPhone SE 4's chip, it makes sense to assume that if the phone does get a major redesign based on the iPhone 14, Apple's A15 Bionic chip will be included. To put things in perspective, the iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 models also run on the same A15 chip as the current iPhone SE. Consequently, there's a chance that the iPhone SE 4 will ship with a chip from an earlier model. The new iPhone SE comes with a 12-megapixel camera. The upcoming iPhone SE 4 may likewise feature a single lens to cut costs, though there are rumors that it will use the 48-megapixel primary lens from the iPhone 15. Thanks to the refined design, Apple now has the opportunity to add a larger battery in the iPhone SE 4. The existing architecture limits the physical capacity of a huge battery. Because of its larger size, Apple may be able to incorporate a considerably larger battery in the iPhone SE 4, which might extend the iPhone SE's battery life. However, since we don't have any hard data on this, it's all speculation. Ming-Chi Kuo claims that Apple tested its own 5G baseband processor on the iPhone SE 4 prototype. The MacRumors story also supports this. Although the current edition of the iPhone SE features 5G technology, the upcoming 5th-generation model is anticipated to have an enhanced 5G processor that supports additional bands. The 2024 iPhone SE project was allegedly dropped in January, but according to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, it was given another shot in February. Kuo stated later in April that there are no plans for mass production and sales, and that the device in question might only be an engineering prototype. It appears from a MacRumors report that Apple is in fact developing the new iPhone SE. Analyst Jeff Pu, though, asserts that it will debut in 2025. Over the past few years, Apple has been gradually raising the phone's price. It's possible that the iPhone SE 4 will cost more than its predecessor given this trend. But the iPhone 15 is less expensive than the iPhone 14, at least in the UK. This therefore raises hopes that Apple will choose to either keep prices the same or slightly lower them. Whenever we get SE 4, this is clear that it is going to be an excellent budget-friendly phone. Please like, share, and subscribe to get more updates on iPhone and other flagship phones.